Hey there, beautiful people. I hope you guys are doing great. This is here Victor from Wearview, and today in this video I'll be teaching you how to photograph clothing for your website, the fast AI workflow. In this video I'll be teaching you how you can use the power of AI to create your photograph for your clothing brand or clothing store, or if you are trying to sell any sorts of garment and stuff like that. In this video I'll be showing you how you can use the power of AI to create all these images. Now you must be thinking, why are you not using AI tools like Gemini and ChatGPT? Well, they are really complicated because I'll be teaching you how you can use Wearview with just a few clicks. You can create these amazing looking photographs that you're just looking right now. So without any further delay, let's hop into the video. First, visit wearview.co. That's the first basic step, and then log into your account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one. It will be useful for you for the long run. Once you are done with that, click on the Try It Now button. Once you click on the Try It Now button, you will be greeted with this screen where you will have all the features that is offered by Wearview, which is first is AI Tryon Studio, AI Product to Model, AI Fashion Video, which means you can create fashion videos as well with the power of AI, which is hands down amazing. AI model creation, AI ghost mannequin, you can create mannequin images, AI pose control, AI consistent model, AI model swap. For this video, I will go ahead and try AI Tryon Studio because I have a garment that I have a dress that I want my model to wear. So right now it is requesting me to select a garment. So I'll click on the choose file button, and then I will choose or select this beautiful dress that I have. So I've selected it, and then click on the next button. Now you will have to choose your model. If you already have a model, like image of your model, then click on the choose file button and then select your model. But if you don't have a model, don't worry. With the power of AI, we will choose great collection of AI models that we have in Wearview. As you can see, we have a great collection of women as well as man AI models. But by any chance, if you want to create your very own model, you don't like all these beautiful models, then you can go ahead and click on the Create AI Model button and then go ahead and create your very own AI model. You can just do that. But for this video, I will choose, whom should I choose? Because I get very distracted by looking at such beautiful girls around me. So for this video, let's choose Elif or Elif. We'll choose this model right here and then click on the next button. Now it is just showing me this is the garment and this is the model that we have selected. Next comes the quality. For the best quality possible, if you're really serious about your clothing brand or your clothing business and you want the best of the best, because we want the best of the best, right? Then click on the 4K. It will give you the hands down the best quality possible. It's a 4K quality, which is of course good. But if you're like me, who is like who loves 2K, and it is recommended by Wearview, so I will choose 2K because you will see the quality of the image. It is great. So, and also generating images in 2K resolution takes a bit less time, and for me, time is money. So I'll choose 2K. For aspect ratio, you can choose maybe square or vertical or maybe horizontal, but for this video I'll choose 3:4, and for number of images I'll choose 1, and then click on the generate button. Now this will use the power of AI to generate your very own photography, like model photography. Like you have selected your dress, you have selected your AI model, and then Wearview will do the rest and will give you the result within like around 30 seconds. So I'll resume the video once the generation is completed. All right, guys, so as you can see, our model is ready here. She is wearing the dress that we have selected, and she looks really nice. As you can just see, the quality of the image, her hands, her face, her expression, the hair, the dress, everything is just so good. But by any chance, if there's some artifacts or there are some weird stuff in the background and you want to get rid of it, go ahead and click on the refine button, and then you can choose some preset prompts like remove background distraction. It will just remove anything that is in the background. Clean white background will give you a clean white background. Enhance colors, sharpen fabric textures and stuff like that. Your creativity is the limit here. You have also other features like you can flip the image horizontally if you want. You can just do that. You can download the image, which I'll do right now, and also you can share this image directly from here as well. You can create a private link, or you can create a public shareable link as well if you want to share it with your teammates and stuff like that. But now we have the single image. Now you must be thinking, this is a single photography. We need multiple photos of the same model wearing the same dress, right? So that's where AI pose control comes in, and we are clicking on AI pose control. Now it says upload your model, which we have already selected, so it is right here. So we'll click on the next button. Now we'll have to choose the poses for our models to pose for our image. Now for this video, at most you can select, or you can create up to 8 poses or 8 images with different poses. For this video, I will choose a couple of them. But if you are not happy, or if you're the pose that you're looking for is not here, you can create your very own pose here if you go ahead and click on the custom pose. So you can just go ahead and do that. Right now, the gender is selected as woman. There is also for men as well, of course. But right now, as our model is a female one, so I'll choose woman. And for pose type, you can choose between full body, half body, and all. For this video, I have selected all, or maybe let's go with half body, I guess. Now we'll choose our poses for our model. So these are the poses that I've selected, and now I'll click on the next button. Now again, it was asking for our quality. Like I said, if you want the best of the best, go 4K. But if you're like me, who likes to say time is money, then 2K recommended is the best option for me. For aspect ratio, I'll choose match input image. If you want, you can go ahead and choose vertical or horizontal. But for me, I'm happy with match input image, and then finally click on the generate button. Now this will take around maybe 1 minute time, because you are generating like 6 to 7 images. The numbers, I forgot how many images or poses that I selected. So I won't keep you guys waiting. I'll just resume the video once the generation completes. So I'll see you soon. Alright guys, so as you can see, our model is ready with all the different poses, and you can see we did a successful photography of our model with all these poses, and you can see the quality. Let me show you again. This is the first one, this is the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. You can see the consistency of the face, as well as the hair and the dress and stuff like that. It's so damn good. And by any chance, like I said, if there are some kind of artifacts, you can go ahead and use the refine feature right here, built right in. But if you're happy with all these images, which I am, so what I'll do, I'll just download all these images that we have here, because I am really satisfied with all these images, and I'm pretty sure I'll be using all these images for my website and for my store, because these images are looking at me like they will be making money for me. Because come on, aren't customers are gonna buy this beautiful dress by looking at this image? Well, I would. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you that's how you photograph clothing for your website with the fastest, or by using a fast AI workflow. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any doubts or queries, please let me know in the comment box down below. This is your Victor from Wearview signing out, and I'll see you in the next video. Until that day, take care, and I'll see you soon.